Welcome to my channel, Sampurna Engineering. In the last session, we have discussed about the various crystal systems. And these crystal systems, we divided it into 7 parts. Now, what is Bravais' contribution to this? Bravais was one of the metallographer, primitive metallographer who had worked on the geometrical aspects of these arrangements. And still today, after so many years, that's remain the same. So there is no change in whatever the structure he proposed. Bravais' contribution to the metallurgy, crystallography will be vital in the sense that still today his propositions of geometrical shapes occupying the 3D space remains the same. So there are 14 different crystal structure arrangements suggested by Bravais. We are calling them as Bravais lattice arrangements. यूनिक क्यों कहा जाता है? यूनिक क्यों कहते हैं? 14 क्रिस्टल स्ट्रक्चर्स ही होते हैं, ऐसा क्यों कहा जाता है? चलिए देखते हैं, वन बाय वन वी विल एक्सप्लोर द जर्नी. हमने ये देखा है 7 क्रिस्टल सिस्टम्स हैं, जहां पे क्यूबिक, टेट्रागोनल, ऑर्थोरोम्बिक, rhombohedral, hexagonal, monoclinic and triclinics. These are the different arrangements of crystal systems. Now we will see the Bravais crystal structures. For each of these systems, there are 14 crystal structure arrangements. These are 3 crystal structures in the cubic system. That is simple cubic structure, face-centered cubic structure, and body-centered cubic structure. Okay. 2 crystal structures are associated with the tetragonal system. So these two, one is called as simple tetragonal and second one is called as body-centered tetragonal. 4 crystal structures are associated with the orthorhombic system. These are the 4 which are associated with orthorhombic. Simple orthorhombic, body-centered orthorhombic, base-centered orthorhombic. This is new addition. Base-centered orthorhombic and face-centered orthorhombic. Then there are 2 crystal structures in monoclinic systems. They are simple monoclinic and base-centered monoclinic. Remaining 3 are 1-1-1 in nature. One in rhombohedral, one in rhombohedral, one in hexagonal, one in hexagonal, and one in triclinic, one in triclinic. So in all, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 different crystal structures arrangements are possible to feel the 3-dimensional space around us. He calculated and visualized all these structures by just means of geometry. That is the genius of Bravais. And still today, these are the benchmarks on which every metallographer is working. And that's why Bravais' contribution to the crystal systems and crystal structures is one of the contribution which never is going to end. Every metallographer using Bravais 14 different arrangements of crystal structures, and that's why they are unique in nature. And that's why the topic which we have selected, 14 different arrangements are made very specific. How to remember? You can remember it like the firing of cylinders. 3, 2, 4, 2, 1, 1, 1. 3, 2, 4, 2, 1, 1, 1. So simple to remember. 3 in cubic, 2 in tetragonal, 4 in orthorhombic, 2 in monoclinic, 1 rhombohedral, 1 hexagonal, and 1 triclinic. If you like this description, the session, click on the subscription, click the like button, and click on the bell icon so that you can get the timely notifications of our uploading of the videos. Thank you.